How to delete old Facebook account without password, email, or phone number or your username. So if you don't have access to any one of that, like your password, email, phone number, or your username, and if you would like to delete your old Facebook account, then what you can do is simply open up your Facebook application at first and make sure to log into your account. And now you can go for the search icon, which is on the upper right, and from here tap on the search bar and then search for an account that you would like to delete. And once you've searched, here you may have your account, right? So if you want to delete this account, or if you want to delete your old Facebook account, then simply choose that Facebook account, and here on the right side you will have three dots icon. Tap on the three dots and then you can go for report profile and tap on fake name, or you can simply tap on pretending to be someone and then me, and tap on submit, and again tap on next, and now tap on done, and that's it. You have reported the profile, right? So you need to simply do that same process with your friends or your family's mobile. You can go for their profile, or you can go for that profile, and then you can report that profile. And once you've reported that profile, and once the Facebook receives the report from 4 or 5 accounts, Facebook will automatically delete that account. So that's it. That's how you delete your old Facebook account without the password, email, phone number, or your username. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.